In this video, I'm walking you through how to create a Steam account from scratch. First, head over to store.steampowered.com. I'll drop the link down in the description for you. Once you're there, click the Login button up at the top. From the Login window, scroll down until you see New to Steam, and click Create an Account. If you're using the Steam desktop app instead, just click Create a Free Account on the sign-in screen. Now let's fill out the form. Type in your email address, then re-enter it in the Confirm Your Address field to make sure it matches. Your country should auto-populate, but double-check it's correct. Next, check the box confirming you're human. Steam might throw a quick puzzle or two your way to verify. Take a second to skim through the Steam subscriber agreement and Valve privacy policy. Just click the links. Then check the box confirming you're over 13 and hit Continue. Next, pop over to your email inbox. You should have a message from Steam waiting for you. Click Verify My Email Address to confirm your account. Back on Steam, choose a username for your account, then create a password and re-enter it in the Confirm Password field. Click Done, then Continue. And that's it. Your Steam account is ready to go. You can now log in and start exploring. If this video helped you out, drop a like before you go.